Hi, my dear friend. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on your Mac step by step. You can capture the entire screen, a window, or just